travel channel. This week I'm heading to Tulum, Mexico, and I wanted to show you guys how I pack my golf clubs for a golf trip. Let's get started. This is what happens when I try to pack my clubs, or pack anything, as a matter of fact. Isn't that right, Midnight? Isn't that right? You vicious little creature. So now that I have all of my items, usually I'll start by opening all of my pockets. Kind of taking out anything unnecessary, including items from your last trip. And I'll also organize it a little bit. I do keep an extra bag of golf gloves inside my bag. So it does seem like I'm running a little low on tees, but I do have some balls. I will add some tees in here. And I will add a couple of Pro V1 sleeves. Then I will check for my ball markers, my business cards, allergy medicine, a leave. I think usually I tend to have a little bit more. I'll keep Midnight, stop it. I keep a first aid kit bag. Kind of has band-aids, a leave, so painkillers, ointments, and always have a tissue pack because I think it's really gross when you blow into your towel. Although I have done it, but I'm trying to keep it classy. I'll add my sunblock in here, and then I have to get bug spray. I don't have bug spray yet. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some later. I think I have everything set up with my bag. So now I'm gonna put my bag inside the case. Midnight, you gotta get out. Midnight likes this bag as much as I do. Midnight, can you get out? Now I'm going to add that extra towel between my clubs. And my rain pants as well. I'll add that between my clubs. I'm going to add the wiffle balls. These biodegradable golf balls. In case I want to put some balls into the water, it's safe for the environment. I'll add my golf shoes. The only thing that I'm going to add later on is shoes for my trip. I'll put it in this pocket right here, and maybe even throw in my toiletries. It kind of just depends on how much I'm packing, and I tend to overpack, so I love throwing things into my golf bag. Want to come with me to Mexico? Yeah, you do, huh? Say bye, Midnight. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you have any tips for me, please leave them below in the comment section. This is a very short trip, only going to be golfing a couple of days while I'm in Mexico. And yeah, catch you guys next time.